Hey guys, it's Leanna, and I am going to be singing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. And yeah, it's really bright too, and there's a vacuum, so just saying it might be a little weird. And people are chatting me, so yeah. So here we go. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it will take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep you by my side, and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds now, eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, rain, rain. And that's all I know. And so sorry for those like little boop, boop noises. Sorry, yeah. Okay, I hope you like it. Bye.